Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are going to solve this question of differentiation. So basically there is the gx function is given, this is the product of two different functions. So we have to apply the product rule of differentiation here to solve this. So let's start. So g dash x, so we know that in product rule, so suppose u and v are two functions of x, and we have to differentiate them with respect to x. So what we need to do, we need to first assume u as a constant and differentiate v with respect to x, and then we have to assume v as constant and differentiate u with respect to x. So this is simply the product rule, and we have to use this rule here. So we will assume u as 8x to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 5, and v as 7x cube plus 2 to the power 3. So we will assume u as a constant, so we will write u as it is, so it will become 8x to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 5 and dy dx of v. So v is 7x cube plus 2 whole power 3. And then we will assume v as constant, so it will become 7x cube plus 2 whole cube, and we will differentiate u with respect to x. So u is 8x to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 5. So now we will apply the other rules of differentiation. That to differentiate this function, we will first apply the power rule. So basically we will treat as the single function, and we know that dy dx of x to the power n is n multiply x to the power n minus 1. So this is also the power rule. So to differentiate this, we will, so 8x plus 9 to the power 5, and here the power is 3, so it will come in the front. So it will become 3 times 7x cube plus 2, function will remain as it is, and the power will be reduced by 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And now since this is also a function, so we have to differentiate this with chain rule. So this will become dy dx of 7x cube plus 2. Then we will take this term, so plus 7x cube plus 2 whole cube, and if we will differentiate this, we will again use power rule. So 5 will come in front, so 5 times 8x to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 4, and now we have to differentiate this function by chain rule. So it will become dy dx of 8x to the power 4 plus 9. So to solve it further, what we can do, so we know that if we will differentiate this function, so we have to differentiate this first and then this. So this is a constant term, so it will become, so differentiation of a constant term is 0, then we need to differentiate this only. So we can write it as, so this is 3, so if we will differentiate this function alone, so it will become, so 3 will come in front, let me differentiate it. So it will become dy dx of 7x cube, so 7 is constant, it will be thrown outside, then plus dy dx of 2. So 2 is a constant term, so it will become 0, and here x cube differentiation will be 3x square. So 7 multiplied by 3x square, it will become 21x square. So 21x square will be multiplied to this, it will become 63x square. Then we can write this as 8x to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 5, and then 7x cube plus 2 to the power 2. So this we have differentiated the first term, and now we will differentiate the second term. So here all other variables are there, but here is the differentiation. So to differentiate this, we will write this as 8 times dy dx of x to the power 4 plus dy dx of 9. So dy dx of 9, this is a constant, so it will become 0, and x to the power 4 we will differentiate by power rule, so it will become 4 times of x cube. So it will become 32x cube. So 32 into 5, 160. So it will become 160x cube. and then we can write this as 7x square plus 2 whole cube, and this will become 8x to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 4. Now this is all that we have completely differentiate the function, but now to write this in neat and clean form, we have to take some common terms out. So x square will be taken out because x square and x cube, x is common, and this x 8x to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 4 will be taken common, and this will become 7x cube plus 2 to the power 2, it will be taken common. So if we will take, so here it will become 63 times 8x to the power 4 plus 9, and here it will become 160 times 7x square plus 3. So if we will solve this, what we can write it as, it will become x square, it will become 8x to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 4, it will become 7x cube plus 2 to the power 2, and if we will just multiply and add these terms, so it will become 504x to the power 4 plus 1120x square, and now we need to add these constant terms. So 63 multiplied by 9 plus this is 160 into 3 is 480. So basically this will become 27, 96, 54, 56 and 480. So it will become 7, 4 and 1047. So this is the answer. So if we will write this complete algebra in proper format, so this will be the differentiation of gx. So now which rules we have used here? So we have used product rule, we have used power rule, and we have used chain rule. So three, four rules of differentiation we have used here. So this is basically the good example to learn differentiation. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.